This is Miss Blankenbeck. We're back with the discriminant, part 3 of 804. And I'll keep this as short as possible. Okay, the discriminant is a part of the quadratic formula. And it's part under the house. It's the b squared minus 4ac part. So when you're looking at the quadratic formula, you are going to look at what's under the house or under the radical. So we're looking at b squared minus 4ac. We're not even going to take the square root of it. We're just looking at this portion of the quadratic formula. And it tells you something. If this is positive, we're going to be able to take the square root of it, aren't we? So if it is positive, we're going to have 2 solutions to our quadratic. If this portion is negative, we know that we can't take the square root of a negative number without it being imaginary. So if that is a negative, we have no real solutions. They're only imaginary solutions. So they have eyes in them. Okay, that was from Unit 7, eyes. And now, if that is 0, if this is 0, the square root of 0 is 0. So this part of the equation is gone, and I'm just left with negative b over 2a. So that becomes my one and only solution. So if it is 0, I have one solution, and that one solution is negative b over 2a. That is the same as that vertex, remember? So that means the vertex is our solution. Okay, so what does it look like from a graphical approach? Remember, Miss B is always teaching it algebraic and graphical. Okay, here's the algebraic one. If our discriminant is positive, 2 solutions. If it's negative, no real solutions. And if it's 0, it has 1 solution. If it looks like a graph, if we're looking at it graphically, 2 solutions means that the equation crosses the x-axis twice. If it has 1 solution, that means the vertex touches it, and it's facing up with the vertex touching the x-axis, or possibly facing down, but the vertex is still touching the axis because it couldn't be above it because it would cross twice. Okay, the last option is if our discriminant is 0. And that means the graph is either above the line if it's facing up or below the line if it's facing down, and we have no solutions. So, let's actually solve one of these. Let's look at a quadratic and see if we can figure out what the discriminant is. So all I'm going to do is focus, and I'm going to erase everything except for my b squared minus 4ac part. Okay? So b squared minus 4ac for, let's say, the quadratic, 2x squared plus 5x minus 1. Okay? What are my a, b, and c? Well, a is 2, b is 5, and c is negative 1. All I'm going to do is plug and chug. B squared, 5 squared, minus 4ac. 25, negative times a negative is a positive 8. That means my discriminant is 34. Okay, do I care, actually 33. Do I care what number it is? No. All I care about is what sign it is. It's positive. This one has 2 solutions. That means it's going to cross my x-axis in 2 places. Okay, how about this one? How about x squared plus 6x plus 9 equals 0. Let's try this one. b squared, I'm getting good at this, so I'm going to have to write them all down. B squared, 36, minus 4, A is 1, C is 9. 36 minus 4 times 9 is 36 is 0. That means I have no real solution. No, it doesn't. It means I have one real solution. And that real solution is negative b over 2a. So this one has one real solution because the discriminant is 0. So the square root part basically disappears, right? All this part of it disappears, and I'm left with the negative b over 2a. Okay, so you're getting the hang of this. Let's see if we can come up with one more of these. Okay, what if I have 5x squared minus 3x plus 2 equals 0. Okay, I'm going to do my b squared. So negative 3 squared minus 4 times a times c. 9 minus 20 times 2, 9 minus 40 is a negative 31. Okay, what have I got? A negative. Can you take the square root of a negative number? Only in imaginary numbers. So this one has no real solutions. So there was one of each one of those. And that's how you decide discriminants. Now, what's our assignment for lesson 804? 804, we're doing page 305, 11 through 26. And if you can master those and feel confident on 11 through 26, you'll be able to ace the quiz. So good luck today, and I'm here to help you. Have a great day.